It's been a while, and today we make yogurt marinated chicken with pearl couscous and tzatziki. This recipe is inspired by Greek tradition, where heat, power and yogurt marinated roasted chicken all come together in one dish. We start by preparing our yogurt marinade. Greek yogurt, lemon juice, oregano, black pepper, salt, olive oil, paprika powder and garlic. Let's mix this together and set it aside. Now we trim our chicken into small pieces. This is what we call paré in French. Perfect. Let's marinate these beauties for at least 4 hours or overnight. In Greece they have used this technique for ages. The yogurt and the lemon will help to tenderize this meat and create that creamy texture. To garnish the couscous, we're gonna roast some Mediterranean vegetables. I like eggplant, zucchini, bell pepper, red onion and some green asparagus. Now it's time to add our vegetables in the rotisserie together with the chicken. In the meantime, we prepare our tzatziki. We grate our cucumber, add some salt to extract the moisture before we drain the juice. For the tzatziki, I like to add some extra freshness by adding some chervil. We mix our cucumber with Greek yogurt, garlic and olive oil. This Greek-inspired dish can be served hot or cold. Believe me, this is worth it.